Good morning, John.
Morning, Anna.
Did you wake up late again?
Maybe, just a little.
John, we have to go out soon.
I know. I'm getting up now.
Hurry up.
Okay. What time is it?
It's already 8:15.
Oh no, I thought it was 7:30.
You always think that.
My clock is slow.
Excuses.
Fine. What should I wear today?
It's sunny outside, so something light.
Shorts and a t-shirt?
Yes, that's perfect.
What about shoes?
Sneakers are fine.
Great, easy and fast.
Are they clean?
Maybe not.
John, you wore them yesterday.
They still look good from far away.
You're terrible.
I'll wipe them quickly.
Okay, but don't be too slow.
I'll try.
What color is your t-shirt?
Blue, my favorite color.
Nice. It looks good on you.
Thank you. What about you?
I'm thinking about wearing my red dress.
The one with flowers?
Yes, do you like it?
It's beautiful, very bright.
Great, then I'll wear it.
You always look good in red.
Aw, thank you.
Do you need help with your zipper?
No, I can do it. Wait, maybe yes.
Okay, let me help.
Thanks. There, done.
Perfect fit.
I like it too. Should I wear a hat?
It's sunny, so yes.
My white hat or the blue one?
White looks better with your dress.
True, and it feels fresh.
You look ready for summer.
You too, except your socks don't match.
What? Really?
One is black, one is gray.
Oh no, I can't go like this.
Haha, hurry, change them.
Okay, new socks. Found them.
Better now?
Perfect match.
Good, don't forget your watch.
Oh, right. I always forget that.
And your phone.
Got it.
Wallet?
Yep.
Keys?
Maybe not.
John,
I'll find them, I promise.
they're on the table next to the plant.
Oh, you saved me again.
Like always.
Okay, now I'm really ready.
Wait, are you wearing perfume?
No, should I?
Just a little.
Okay, one spray. Done.
Nice, smells fresh.
Thank you. What about you?
I used my favorite one, vanilla.
Oh, that's why the room smells sweet.
Haha, yes.
Do you have your bag?
Yes, and my sunglasses too.
Good idea. It's really bright outside.
Are you sure you have everything?
I think so.
Shoes, socks, shirt, shorts, keys, phone.
Check.
Great, then let's go.
Wait, I forgot something.
What now?
My cap.
Oh, John.
Okay, got it. Now ready for real.
You said that 5 times already.
This time I mean it.
Fine, let's go before we're late.
After you, lady in red.
Thank you, sir in blue.
You look amazing.
And you look clean, finally.
That's the best compliment today.
You're welcome.
So, where are we going again?
To the park, remember?
Oh yes, right. Picnic time.
Yes, and don't forget the blanket.
Oh no, I did forget it.
I'll get it. You find the basket.
Deal.
Okay, now we're really ready.
For real this time?
Yes, let's go.
Best dressed team in town.
Maybe not, but happy for sure.
That's what matters.
Exactly.
Let's go enjoy the day.
Let's go.